from the vast silence of the mountains, where the wind carves stories into stone, the camera drifts down towards something almost invisible. A world that exists not beside us, but beneath our notice. Here, even at high altitudes, life endures, delicate, hidden, persistent. Amid dry thorns and faded petals, a yellow praying mantis holds still, perfectly camouflaged. Its yellow hue matches the dried flower it hides upon, turning its body into part of the landscape. Mantises are ambush predators. They wait rather than chase. With two large compound eyes and lightning-fast forelegs, they can strike in less than 1/20th of a second. Every movement of the wind, every vibration through the stem is analyzed, processed through millions of tiny neurons. It's a hunter built for patience and precision. The mantis does not move unless it must. It hunts by stillness, waiting for a moment when movement becomes opportunity. Despite its fragile form, the mantis is a master of survival, a design perfected through 50 million years of evolution. A few meters away, sunlight finds another survivor, a bee beetle, Trichotis apiarius, covered in red and black, glistening with golden pollen. Unlike the mantis, this one feeds on nectar and pollen, playing a small role in pollination among mountain flowers. Its colors warn predators, "I taste bad," a signal known as aposomaticism, a defense written into evolution's long memory. Two lives, a hunter and a gatherer, sharing the same fragile stage, each playing its part in the quiet machinery of nature. As the camera rises again to the mountains, the scale of life reveals itself, from the vast to the microscopic, all bound by the same rhythm, the persistence of life in every form it takes. And behind every order, in the pulsation of every particle of nature, lies the signature of the creator of the universe.